Greetings folks. Today I'm gonna speak of the Raptor engine, and rather Elon will speak of Raptor engine, not me, but I'll just give it a short intro what Raptor engine is all about. Raptor is the most advanced rocket engine on freaking planet Earth. Yeah, literally the most advanced. So yeah, I'll just let you guys hear what Elon has to say about Raptor's latest iterations. So yeah, enjoy the video.
The Raptor 1 is the one that looks like the crazy Christmas tree there. You can compare like how much less there is, like if you just look at just eyeball the fiddly bits level there versus the fiddly bits level there. Yeah. This is a completed engine.
Wow.
So a massive amount of things have been deleted. Deleted, combined, simplified on Raptor 2 versus Raptor 1. It's a little hard to see because it's over there, but
well, you can tell a lot.
Yeah, giant difference. Like this, the Raptor 2 looks like it's not finished.
Yeah.
But it actually is. This is a finished Raptor 2 versus finished Raptor 1. Gigantic difference.